Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable the always on display on your iPhone. So first of all, you are going to select the focus mode here and you're going to select the do not disturb. Select people and select silence notifications from. Then you're going to select apps here and then you're going to select silence notifications from as well. Go back and select the options and make sure you have everything enabled. And once you have set it like this, you're going to you're going to drag the right corner of your screen and you're going to select the do not disturb button. And that is pretty much how you can enable always on display. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye!